They're saying mama never loved her much and daddy never keeps in touch. That's why she shies away from human affection. So we're in a private place, she packs her bags for outer space, and now she's waiting for the right kind of pilot to come. She's saying I would fly to the moon.